Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and look whom I have here. Arvind, were you surprised with the video that you saw on my YouTube channel?
I am camera conscious now.
You are acting very weird. So you know what? I decided that let's make a video together because he felt that as his videos have got more than 200 views, he is a superstar. So let me get the
Yes, I am.
superstar
I am.
along with me.
I am. I am a superstar.
So-
Maybe people like me more than they like you
Mhm.
in your videos.
So now this is going to be a multilingual video. That is the speciality of this video, where Arvind is going to be talking his mind out in whatever he is thinking, and I'm going to talk my mind out in whatever I am thinking.
Okay, let us try it out. Vanga madam, pogalam.
So the surprise today is that Arvind is going to do my makeup.
Bhagyam, you have already encroached my study space now in this room. Seriously, there is no study space at all. And now you want me to do your makeup? My God. Seriously, Bhagyam.
So
You have
let us
lost your mind.
see what you have learned from all. Have you seen my videos, by the way, ever?
Yeah, I do see to increase the number of views.
And do you get any information out of it?
It all goes like this. Outside, it doesn't get in.
You know that your wife is a beauty influencer, right?
Yeah, I know that.
So you're supposed to know stuff.
So let me try out. Let us
Okay.
see. Show me your products.
So
Let
now,
me see.
before we get into you doing my makeup,
Mhm.
I would like you to tell me the 5 makeup products that you know. Okay, that like, okay, this is the 5 products. I'm only asking for 5.
Friends, அந்த பழைய வீடியோல ஒரு கண் பென்சில் காமிச்சேன்ல அது ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் தட் இஸ் ஒன் ப்ராடக்ட்
Okay, so what is it called? That's the, I wanted with the name, 5 products.
கண் பென் ஆர் கண் ஸ்கெட்ச் பென் மேபி
Next product.
இஸ் இட் ஐப்ரோ tweezer or whatever they
That
call
is
it.
not a makeup product. I'm talking
Okay.
about makeup.
So what is it?
Okay, so
What
that
is it called?
is.
Is it an eyeliner?
Am I supposed to give him the information before he would do my makeup?
Maybe after I do your
Yeah. So yeah, your first point product is wrong. So go to the next product.
Next product is I've heard you keep telling or keep talking to your sister about your base, that is the foundation and such things. So foundation is one.
Okay.
Maybe that is the first product which you use, or before that you use a gel kind of a thing, for you to keep your pores closed so that the makeup does not enter your skin.
And what is
So-
that called?
It is a gel basically. So maybe is it a primer?
See, he got a product too. Primer.
I know all these terms because the foundation comes in our civil engineering and architectural drawings, so structural drawings. So I am an architect, so I know about it. So primer, likewise in painting we use primer, and that is a base coat, and after that we start applying the paint.
So are you trying to say that my face is a
Maybe
building?
it is. See, this makeup thing is very very similar to painting concept, I guess. So let us
Okay,
see.
product 3.
Third product is lipstick. Very simple.
Thank God. I was like, why is he
But
missing
I
that?
still do not know the difference between a lip balm, lipstick, and what is the other thing called?
Tint.
Lip tint. Seriously, I do not know.
Okay.
And
Fourth product.
fourth product is what I told, lipstick.
That was the third product. So you said foundation,
Huh.
you said primer,
Huh.
you said lipstick.
Okay, maybe a basic cosmetic powder.
Okay,
That can
fine,
also
I'll
be
give that.
considered.
Fourth one. Now fifth one.
Fifth one is nail paint.
Nail paint is not makeup.
So then what is it?
It's nails.
Not for your face.
No. When have you seen me put nail paint on my face?
Okay, I know it is not for your face.
My God.
I heard that day you were telling your sister about this bronzer. What is it?
Correct. Bronzer 5.
Okay, what is it? I need to
You
know. that.
will get to know that as you get into doing my makeup.
Okay, what is the first product which I told you?
You are trying to. He's going to revise with me, so he knows exactly like what he has to do.
So-
but I'm not going to give him any hints. I've just bought all the makeup that I have and just kept it over here.
Okay, Bhagyam,
Guys.
let us start now.
See, this is how we talk.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So now I have prepped up my skin. I have used moisturizer and lip balm. Okay, that's all that I've done.
So, is it a primer? Is that is called the primer, or that is
you
called the
have
primer?
guessed. Right.
This is this L'Oreal's True Match Super Blendable Foundation.
Do it the way I do it. என்னோட வீடியோல காமிச்சேன் இல்லையா?
Is it like this, Bhagyam? How do you show in your videos? Now I know that I have to shake this. Then I remove the lid. Now what I do is I put it here because I normally see her putting this foundation in this part of the hand, correct? Palm.
It is not your palm. What are you doing?
Okay. கொஞ்சமாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க எல்லாரும். எடுத்துட்டு இப்படி மூஞ்சியில் அப்ளை பண்ணோம். பாக்கியம் கையிலேருந்து வரவே மாட்டேங்கிறது. ஐயோ பா, thank God போச்சு. I have to wash my hands later. Okay, now what do I do with this now? Oh, you want me to spread this out with this, right? See, this is actually a spreader.
என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க, எப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
இப்படி குத்தி 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 ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணு. கை வலிக்கிறது.
அரவிந்த், இதுலயே கை வலிச்சதுன்னா மேக்கப் எப்படி பண்ண போற?
ஏங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், காதில் போடணுமா? எனக்கு தெரியாது.
நீங்கள் அந்த ஸ்பஞ்சை ஜாக்கிரதையாக இருங்கோ. அது என்னோட ஃபேவரட் ஸ்பஞ்சு. உங்கள் கையில் கொடுத்துருக்க
வச்சு எல்லா காட்டனையும் அழுக்கியும் எடுத்தாச்சுங்க. அடுத்தது இதை நான் திருப்பி உள்ளே வச்சிடுறேன். ஏன்னா எடுத்த இடத்துலேருந்து வைக்கிறது தான் என் ஒய்ஃபுக்கு பிடிக்கும். ரொம்ப ஆர்கனைஸ்டுன்னு போன வீடியோவில் சொன்னேன் இல்லை, எனக்கு தெரியாமல் என் ஃபோனை நோண்டி நான் அவள் பர்சன் நோண்டின மாதிரி என் ஃபோனை நோண்டிட்டாங்க. எனக்கு சர்ப்ரைசிங்காக இருந்தது வீடியோ பார்க்க.
ஷாக்கிங்காக சர்ப்ரைசிங் ரெண்டுமே
தான். ஆனால் எனக்கு தான் நிறைய வியூஸ் கிடச்சிருக்கு. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு. சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க தயவுசெய்து. பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லாக்டோகாலமைன் போடணும். இல்லை வேண்டாம், போட வேண்டாம். இது என்னது? இது கன்சீலர் இவங்களுக்கு வந்து டார்க் சர்க்கிள்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால கன்சீலர் இதை தான் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறத பார்த்துருக்கேன். இதை என்ன பண்ணணும், இதையும் ஷேக் பண்ணுங்கள். நல்லா பண்ணுமா பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரில, பட் நான் சும்மா பண்ணுறேன்.
இது ஷேக் ஆகாது.
ஷேக் ஆகாதாங்க. இது ஷேக் பண்ணால் எல்லாமே ஷேக் ஆகும். ஷேக் ஆகாதுன்றாங்க, அது கூட தெரில. மேலேயும் போடணுமா? ஒன்றுமே வரலையே பாக்கியம். நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங் மெக்கானிசம் இருக்குது. கொஞ்சம் பேய் மாதிரி இருக்க, எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு. அந்த இது கொடு. இது ஈவனாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணிடும் இந்த ஸ்பாஞ்சு. நீங்களும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நான் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறதில்ல. நீங்கன்னா லேடிஸ் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, ஜென்ஸும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஆனால்
அரவிந்த், உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா ஜென்ஸும் மேக்கப் பண்ணுவானா?
தெரியாத.
அடுத்த வீடியோ
Bhagyam, I have almost covered your dark circles, but it still looks dark here and white here. You have that, what do you say, corrector? Something you call something is corrector. Can you give that to me so that I can use it? So it will be your skin tone. Now it is a little bit white. Yeah. Where is it?
He doesn't know that you use it before using whatever he used.
That part I don't know. Now she's teaching me, so
that
let us see.
You don't know. I'm whispering to my audience. You are not supposed to hear that. Okay. I'm helping him out. Take the corrector.
Okay, now how do I apply this one?
Don't dip it in there.
See? தப்பு பண்ணா அவங்களே சொல்லிடுவாங்க. ஜங்க ஜங்க ஜங்.
அது இல்லை
பாத்தீங்களா, அவங்களே சொல்லிடுவாங்க.
சரி, அது வாஷ் இல்லையா?
பாத்தீங்களா, எதுவுமே நான் தொடர வேண்டாம், தொட்டாலே அவங்க மாத்திடுவாங்க. அதுதான் that is Bhagyam for you. அவங்களே எடுத்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.
ஆமா, it spoils then.
You have to wash it, Bhagyam. That is your job.
No, you don't know the task. The challenge is that you don't only do my makeup. You also wash out my makeup brushes and the sponge and don't you feel like a painter?
I used to paint in my college, but you will come to know when you meet my friends that they will tell you the truth whether I used to paint or not.
Yeah, I got to know a lot of truth about you after this current trip. to Bangalore. The pictures are on my Instagram, where I met his really close friend, and she ended up like telling me stuff about him, and I have no comments.
Do I use this to blend? No, I don't know. I'm just asking you. You need to help me out, Bhagyam. You need to help me out. So I'll use it. Then you have to wash it.
You only have one.
No, I will not. You have to wash it.
You had one.
I think you have already used it, so I will use it. See, I didn't know that this was first supposed to be put first and then your other concealer.
Oh, someone has realized it after picking me a Kung Fu Panda, right?
Hopefully, it has spread very well. So next is, after this, what do we do, guys?
You know.
Should we buy Asian Paints primer? No, not required. Now let us see. We have finished her foundation. We have finished her corrector, and we have finished her. வேற பாஷையில் இருக்கு. ஏனோ ஏஜ் ரிவைண்டரும். அவ்வளோதாங்க. இது தெரியல, இதை யூஸ் பண்ணேன். அடுத்தது லிப்ஸ்டிக்கு போவோமா? இல்லை, ஃபஸ்ட்டு கண்ணு. நீ சொல்லக்கூடாது பாக்யம். கண்ணில் வந்து என்ன பண்ணலான்னா, இது ப்ளூ கலர் போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. இன்னைக்கு ப்ளூ கலர் கவுன் போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ
this is my eye makeup pouch, and he has to pull out whatever he wants. So you have this.
But friends, this is easy for me because I get an instruction also. Instruction here to do the eye makeup.
Then there is this.
No Bhagyam, I'll use this. I'll stick to this.
Then there is these.
But I'll stick to this.
No, you have to put stuff randomly.
Randomly, you will start trying then, seeing your makeup.
Use this, no?
This? Okay. Why not? We'll close this. This is Miss Claire eyeshadow color. It is bigger than my hand, so there is no point showing like this. Now, can you see, friends? இங்கே instructions கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இதை படிக்கலாம் நீங்கள். Bhagyam, can you show now? Let me try.
Try. I really don't like the expression on your face. It is a very scary expression. My God, see how much you were doing time pass in the purse. Now you come to know it's serious business, baby.
It is serious. It is serious. It is difficult. My hands are paining now.
As long as you don't finish my colors, because then you only have to buy them from me.
I think this Miss Claire is bought by me.
No,
From
it's bought
Amazon.
by me only.
Amazon. I think she bought it, but I paid for it.
Are you enjoying this journey?
I don't know whether I'm enjoying or not.
You are never going to peep into my purse next time, are you?
Never ever.
For all those who want to know, that is, if they want to know. So we have been married for 7 years now,
Perfect. Close your eyes, both your eyes.
and it was an arranged marriage.
Bhagyam, close it properly. Close both your eyes properly.
It is closed only properly. It was an arranged marriage, and I ended up marrying a man who is exactly opposite to my nature. So
A, B, C, D of makeup, I did not know.
yeah, when I had asked him before marriage that I do makeup, I go to the parlor.
Likewise, when I had asked her before marriage, do you know to cook? I did not ask for the sake that that she should cook every day for me, but I just asked whether do you know to cook basic food, because I knew to cook. I wanted to give her a surprise.
And then
Go
what
ahead.
happened?
Yeah, I gave you a surprise, by making
No, but
dosa
when you asked me whether I know to cook, what did I say?
I don't want to repeat it. You only tell.
You have forgotten what I spoke.
Okay.
You have forgotten what I spoke, have you? See, this is how we are married to each other. That my husband forgets everything, and very soon he's going to forget that he has a wife called Bhagyan.
Maybe.
Yeah. So when I spoke to him about makeup, and I was like, "Listen, I am big time into makeup, and I love to do makeup, and my parents have always encouraged me to do it." All he had to say is, "My mom goes to the parlor regularly. I know what is makeup." And what I end up knowing after marriage is that my mother-in-law used to only go for a hair trim. So this is how much he knows about makeup. That if you trim your hair, you have done makeup. Am I right, Arvind?
That is what I used to feel. Then I came to know there is a lot to know about makeup. It is an art, and she's a good artist.
Thank you.
Now next comes your sketch pen.
Give me that.
Where is the
Put it
sketch pen?
in that.
Where is the sketch pen? Where is the sketch pen?
What sketch pen do you? What do you need to do that you've done?
Darken your eyelid.
What is the meaning?
No,
of
not eyelid. That what is it called? No.
your choice?
No, you tell me. No,
Hello.
how do you want it? You tell me.
It's your choice, baby.
Only bottom or top also?
Top also, of course. Do I do only bottom? Yeah, I do only bottom. But today I would like to do it top and bottom. So I brought the world of makeup into his life, and I wouldn't say made me start to cook, but yeah, he encouraged me to cook for him.
Maybe Halloween makeup again. Only one eye dark and the other eye without eyeliner. How is it going to look?
Do we celebrate Halloween? So guys, I have got a lot of makeup, and this was an unplanned video. What I had planned to do is
போடுறது எப்படி?
நீ போடு.
இதுலயே போடணுமா?
ஆமா. So what I had planned to do for y'all is do makeup using only a makeup kit, because since I started makeup, trust me, I used to dislike the concept of makeup kits, because the problem with makeup kits is they are too temporary. You can't actually create a look with it. So I used to always dislike makeup kits. All that used to be is like a bunch of eyeshadows, and I really am not very fond of that. So what I had planned to do is do a tutorial with using a makeup kit and try to create a look.
Okay, not bad.
I really don't like the way you are looking at me right now. How am I looking?
Nice.
Will I be the girl that you'll marry?
I've already married you, so yes. Can you see?
Yeah, that's what I'm checking. I'm checking if I can see or not. Okay.
Not bad.
What?
Now comes lipstick. Give me your
But
collection
what
of lipstick.
about contouring and all? You have to do blush and contouring and all.
That is, I don't know. That is a very technical aspect of it. So
It's okay. How do I do makeup? You have to do makeup the way I do makeup. So this is my blush, highlighter, and contour. Don't pull it; it'll tear. My favorite.
I bought this. This is cheap.
No.
Then
This is basically my favorite blush on. I always vouch for it, and yeah, it is pretty cheap. It's just for $200.
that is cheap for her. I know how difficult it is to earn 200 rupees
So serious.
in my field.
Can you see a color on the brush?
Yeah, the same color.
No, but it is used for
Okay.
same purpose. Yeah, 1 minute.
Makeup பண்றச்செல்லாம் music போட்டுரு.
Yeah. Arvind, that's not how you do it, Arvind. It is very, very pigmented, Arvind.
கொஞ்சம் தான் எடுத்துட்டா.
It is konjam or what? Blend it. Arvind, this blush is very, very highly pigmented. You have to be very careful when you apply it. If it is too much, rub it off on your hand from the brush.
No, it is not too much.
I know it is too much. I know my blush. Arvind, rub it off in your hand. Not like that. Hold it from your hand.
But I have already applied, no, for that.
Now blend it out. I'm not.
One
not
glimpse.
Though I'm not supposed to see it. I trust you, baby. Why are you making the face? I love my blushes. Are you going to eat me now? See, you're ambidextrous, right? Now let me see your skills with ambidextrosity. How does it look?
Good.
Now you just have to remove more of this on your hand like this. And now do it again.
I did not apply gel on my hand. It will go inside my poor skin.
And then you're going to die of poisoning. Take this. What is this part called? Tell me.
Blushing part.
No, apple of the cheek.
Oh, this too.
Hmm.
Apple of the cheek. Certainly, it doesn't look like apple.
You're supposed to make it look like apple with blush.
Okay.
Okay, blush is done. I'm not letting you use any more blush.
Next, this one.
Bronzer.
What is this?
You told bronzer, no? Bade this mein, Josh mein.
Because I heard you telling your sister about
See,
bronzer.
it smells so nice. It smells nice.
Yeah. Well, right. It smells nice.
Okay, so use now bronzer.
Where is the bronzer?
Look.
Bhagyam, there is no
What?
bronzer.
I am telling you to use a bronzer. What are you doing?
There is no bronzer in this
And
purse.
what did you open before? This is bronzer, no? You only bought this for me. You forgot. And mind you, you were telling it now, Joshma, to your father, it is a bronzer. It cuts the face out. And his father almost was like, skipped a beat, heartbeat. And he was like, what is wrong with my son? What is happening to him?
Okay, bronzer.
What do you do with a bronzer?
Do like this, Bhagyam.
You have so much of daddy. Even if you do that, it's not same. Do you realize that?
It is same.
No, it is not. If I tell you I'm getting hungry in this process, what do you do?
If you
You will just ignore me, right?
If you see your
You know the mic is right there, right?
Bhagyam, this is mast maja. See, your hairs are also getting colored. Hair is also getting colored.
Do it. I'm sleepy, Arvind. How much time you're taking to do makeup?
How much time do you take to do makeup, Bhagyam?
Tell me how much time I take to do makeup.
You take at least 2 to 3 hours to do
Get
makeup.
lost. I never take 2 to 3 hours. What are you doing?
I am cutting your nose with this brush. At last, I got a chance to cut.
You know, right? After this makeup, a lot of your stuff is going to get cut.
No. Next, Bhagyam.
Highlighter.
So this is a highlighter, right? No, this is a highlighter. Trophy wise. Okay.
I'm scared that he's using this, but I don't want to stop.
How do I do this?
This is his favoriteest highlighter. Once he applies it, he will realize what I'm saying.
Where do I apply?
Where do you apply highlighter? Do you apply wherever you want? Feel like I should apply.
Here.
He's actually applied highlighter on my bronzer part. Let me see the bronzer. Dude, whatever you feel like do.
Okay, now comes lipstick. Give me your collection of
See, he
lipstick.
just wants to get to the lipstick and
So
be
that
done
I'll
with
be
it.
done with this makeup video.
So let's see. So this is my makeup collection, the lipstick collection alone.
Bhagyam, which color would you prefer today?
Which color would you prefer me to wear?
Do you have a blue?
Yes, I do.
So can you give me that blue?
They are around here, out of these years.
This is a white. This is, I don't know.
I name the color and I have it. Don't you know that about your wife?
No, you don't have a blue Bhagyam.
I do have a blue.
This is that Liberty. This is purple.
No, that is blue.
No.
Yes, I have an turquoise blue. Yeah, these two are blue. I really don't care if the makeup is complete. Okay.
Video chukna. You have to keep your lips.
Who keeps it like that?
So it is easy to keep.
You're supposed to keep.
How?
What are you doing? Put
Do
drop. Are you sure you're using the shade?
Yeah, see, it is matching.
Yeah, but you have to like put it correctly because this shade is very tricky.
What is tricky about lipstick? All the lipsticks are going to be one and the same. Close your mouth, it's okay. It is easy for me. No, I think you have to open.
I hope you know that the more you touch my lipstick will spread, right?
Yeah, let it spread. I want it to be spreading outside. Keep it like this. Done. Makeup done.
Yay! What about the
Bhagyam.
eyebrows? Do the eyebrows, darling. I hope that you have made me proud.
Yeah, you'll like it. You'll like it because it is a decent makeup which I've done. I've done it matching your gown, Bhagyam. See, blue and blue.
It is a dress.
So it is matching. So what should I do now?
Eyebrows. You have to fill my brows wherever it is empty.
Okay, how do I do it?
Take the darker side. The darker side. Yeah.
This one?
Just because you're tired, don't make a mess on my face. Because I know that is very much of you. So, 8 years of marriage, rather 7.5 years of marriage. Let me see what you learned from me.
I've darkened your brows. How do you look?
Wait.
Let us start the
Wait,
camera.
I have to see in the
Okay.
camera or in the mirror.
Mirror la pare, let us record it. Let us record your reaction.
What the hell, Arvind?
Your eyes have come out well, no?
Why do you always do this to my eyes?
What have I done? Your eyes have come out well. Your
I
lips
have
have also.
bitten into something.
No, Bhagyam, this matches your gown.
Why is my chin also blue?
That is because by mistake.
Look at the way I look. Seriously, is this what you have learned in the past 7 years of marriage?
But why should I learn? It is not my duty.
No, you are supposed to do my makeup.
No, Bhagyam, why should I do
My
your makeup?
God, see? Look at the eyes.
It has come out well, eyes. I like it.
Yeah, so this is what I do when I walk out, right, with you?
So guys, how did you enjoy me doing her makeup? Like, share, subscribe for more videos like this.
So this is it, guys. See what he has done to my face. I really don't have any words. So next time he's not coming anywhere around my makeup. That is for sure. What? He's just literally gone back to his work because he doesn't want to talk any further. So guys, if you liked him doing my makeup, not my makeup, like him in the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon and understand my plight.